How to make a TikTok video with gallery image and videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing TikTok video using photos and videos from your gallery. Whether you are new to TikTok or just looking to enhance your content, this step-by-step guide will help you create something awesome. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And once you are inside the TikTok app, tap on the plus sign button at the bottom of the screen. And this will where all the magic begins. Instead of recording a video, tap on the image button at the left bottom side of the screen. And this will take you to the section where you can choose photos and videos directly from your phone gallery. Here, you can select the photos and videos you want to include in your TikTok. You can choose multiple files by tapping on them in order you want them to appear, and once you are done, simply tap Next. After that, you will enter the section where you can get creative. You can add the trending sound or song by tapping on the sounds. You can also apply filters, effects, text, and make your video more engaging. Play around with this feature until you are happy with the result. And once you have added all the finishing touches, preview your video to make sure everything looks perfect. And if you need to make any changes, just go back and tweak it. And once you are done with all these things, you can simply tap on Next. Now finally, you will be prompted to the page where you can add catchy captions, choose your hashtag, and once you are done with it, you can simply tap on Post. And your TikTok video will be live for everyone to see it. And that's it. Now you know how to make a TikTok video using photos and videos from your gallery. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.